Sorting laundry is a great way to help your kid work on grouping things together. It doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be a lot of fun, and it can help your child get ready for math in school. Practice by grouping the dirty laundry around the house with your child. Ask them, how do we know the laundry is dirty? Well, if it's in the hamper, has a stain, or maybe it just smells funny, it's gotta be dirty. That's right, you're getting the hang of this. Once you've grouped all the dirty laundry, have your child separate the clothes into different sets, like separating lights from darks. Make sure to keep asking questions, and most importantly, talk about everything you're doing. Do these pajamas go with the darks or lights? What about this shirt? Darks, that's right. Separating groups of things into different sets helps your child realize that all things can be grouped in more ways than one. When it comes time to sort and organize the clean laundry, show your child how to make separate piles for different items of clothing. Is this a shirt or pants? A shirt? Great! Fold it and put it in the shirt pile. Is this a sock or underwear? Try to find its pair. The more groups you can work out with your child, the more they'll sharpen their sorting and collecting skills. What goes in the sock drawer? Clean socks. The socks we washed go with the socks in the drawer. In these moments, we become curiosity guides. When we're able to activate and support this curiosity in math at home, we create an incredible foundation for our children to excel when it comes time for a formal education. Think of other ways to apply these concepts at home. Early math is fundamental to a child's success. Family math brings math into the home and community and helps develop a lifelong joy for the subject through playful exploration.